So what's a computer? You might be in a college, or you might be a student in a school or a college, going through a computer subject, or you might have a computer at home. But have you ever thought what a computer is, or even a laptop? A computer is basically an umbrella term. But have you ever wondered what a computer is? How do you define it? Now just think of a calculator that you use at your home or at your office. Now there is a single purpose of the calculator basically is to do calculation. So you give an input, you give you say the calculator what it needs to do, and then you have a output. So calculator's limitation, now this is a software, but think of the calculator that you have, the devices that you have. So it actually takes inputs and it processes based on what you ask it to process, and then it gives an output. So that's what a calculator does. It just deals with calculation and numbers. But computer is a bit more than that. Not a bit more, it's actually a huge than that. So think of this: you give an input to the computer, it processes that, and then it gives you an output. So input devices, you can give an input, like you can give text and numbers through keyboard, you can draw through mouse, scan an image from a scanner, and send a voice from a mic. All this you can. These are all input devices that you could give to your computer. So there is a processors. So these processors, Intel, AMD, and Apple's M1, M2, M3, and you also have the Snapdragon processor and Exynos in smartphones. That's also there. So after this processes, it gives the output through a display or a monitor or a projector or a printer. So in a nutshell, this is what a computer is. Not making it more complex, you could give it an input, it processes it, and it gives you an output. That's what a computer is all about. Now computer and laptops, it's all the same, given the flexibility and the mobility of it. That's why we have laptops. Smartphone are even more mobile. So the architecture and the concepts would be similar, not exactly the same, but would be similar.